Hello guys, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna wash my clothes guys. So today is the day, my friend. I need to change my fucking linen. Every 10 days we have to change the linen. This is the rule of the ship, bro. Mandatory. You should change the linens every 10 days, okay? And I wanna wash my clothes, man. To laundry, crew laundry. So you have to know which crew laundry we have to go. So I have many clothes to wash today, bro. I wash. Okay, my clothes is ready to wash, bro. It's not too far. Crew laundry near to my cabin, bro. So let's go, my friend. This is my cabin. Okay, this is the way to go in washing clothes. This is the way. Okay, here we go. Now we arrive to laundry. See, this is the crew laundry. Oh, cool, man. I have to go other laundry. All is full. I have to go other one. Okay, we arrived to laundry. Now here is not full. I have to go there. Here, put some more. All. I need to wash all, my friend. Smell not good because of shock. Okay, that's it. Empty this. And how many minutes? You can adjust here, my friend. I think I need only 32 minutes. Okay, now it's working, my friend. I have to wait 32 minutes and then I change to dryer. Here the dryer. Okay, after finish 32 I will put in the dryer, then finish. If you need to some ironing, just put that. Okay, Bolo, while I'm waiting my laundry finish, I have to change the new linen and put there. I have to make a bed and make tidy. Okay, check it out. So 1 minute left, it will be finished. Last time I forget to put some soap, my friend. Supposed to be here the soap. Mother chod, but the soap is empty. I have to take from deck 3. This is how to wash your clothes in the ship. Jadi ini tinggal nge-rinse, Bolo. Dia hilangin air-air di dalam, habis itu kering, diangkat di atas ini. Tadi saya lupa, bro, nggak kasih itu apa supnya, nggak kasih sabunnya ke dalam sini. Jadinya tadi ngambil ke bawah terus taruh sini lagi. already cooking my laundry. 4 minutes left, but I have to end this one. Only dry, right? Okay, Sunny is one of my colleagues in Aida Perla. This guy is very good guy. Okay, now it's dry already. Your sock? Sometimes I'm missing my sock also. See?
No, because sometimes the people get when they remove, you know.
They remove from washing, put in dryer, right?
Still inside.
Oh yeah, sometimes.
I always check first before I do.
Okay, good. Ciao. Dry already. Cooking already. Sometimes the sock is missing because it's ready. No soap or nothing. So after use we have to clean. Okay. Shred. Clean already. Okay. Okay, laundry already finished. I have to go in cabin. This is deck for my friend Mumbai. My cabin in deck 3. This is the full laundry before I was here. Okay my friend, thanks so much for watching my video my friend. Don't forget to thumbs up or thumbs down, up to you my friend. Subscribe is okay. This is my daily vlog bro. After duty then I have to go doing something. If you are not doing something you are so boring bro. Okay, see, now it's clean my laundry. Now I have to fold all my clothes, my fucking sock, my fucking underwear. Okay, see you.